So today we are going to solve the best time to buy and sell stocks problem. So you are given an array prices where prices I is the price of a given stock on the ith day, and you want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. And we need to return the maximum profit we can achieve from this transaction. And if there is no profit, we need to return zero. So one example is given here. So prices is given as 7, 1, 5, 3, 6, and 4, and the output is 5. So what is the explanation? So we are going to buy on the second day and we are going to sell on the fifth day. So 6 minus 1 is going to generate a profit of 5. And in this second example, the prices has given as 7, 6, 4, 3, 1, and because if the prices have been decreasing, so we will not be able to sell it or make it a profit. So profit is zero here. So let's just try to solve it on to the net notepad and see how we can solve this problem. So first let's try to see. Let's take this as example as like 2, 1. I'm just taking up a random array example. 9, 17, 1, 20. Okay. So what the problem wants us to see, so it wants us to find the maximum profit. So we need to buy and then sell it. So we can buy before, like so. Let's just try to go through this array. Maybe we can buy onto the first day and try to sell it on the second day. It will give us -1 profit. We will not be able to sell it. We can sell it on the third day. It will give us a profit of 1. On the fourth day, it will give a profit of 7, and so on and so forth like this. And then we can move to the second day. Maybe buy here and sell this on to this day or onto this day. So this will give us 19, a profit of 19, which is going to be the correct answer. So how we can solve this problem? So let's just try to see. So basically, so if you just look at the problem, you will see we can solve it using two for loops. So first for loop will keep iterating onto the first value here, and we'll try to find the maximum out of these values, and that will be the difference between the first value and the maximum of it is going to be our profit. So 220 is the maximum value and 2 is the our current value, so profit is going to be 18. Then we can pick up this value, and then for this value we can also find the maximum out of the remaining elements. So the output is going to be 20 and the current value is 1, which is going to generate the profit of 19, and we will repeat the process for every element. For 3 we will try to find out here. For 9 we will find the maximum value here and then try to see. So we will just keep updating the profit. So it was 18 and now 19 is greater than 18, so our profit will be 18. Suppose if we had like 0 here, and we are buying it as a price of 0 and we are selling it as a 20. So then the profit is going to be 20 here. So the profit will be 20. So we can use two for loops just to iterate and to compute these values. So this will give us a complexity of order of n square, which will not work in this problem. So let's just try to come up with another uh, solution which runs in order of one time. So let's just take this example again, 19, 17, 1, and 20, right? So what this solution is to, we can simply see, first we will just simply take the first value as a buy price, right? Let's just take this as buy price, and we will calculate the profit for this value. So profit will only be calculated when we will see a value which is greater than the buy price, right? So in this case, 3 is the maximum value. 3 is bigger value than the 2. So we can sell it onto the day second. So it will give us a profit of 1, right? And if we see a value which is lower than our buying price, so suppose C 1. So instead of buying at this price, we will buy at this price, right? So we will update our buying price as this. So now our buy price, it was earlier 2 because we have found a smaller price than our buying price. So our buy price will be 1 instead of 2. If we had, if we are we find any value smaller than 1, then we will update the buying value. Suppose it was like maybe it was like 12, then it was 10, then it was 9. We will just keep updating our our buying prices, and we will just try to see from which value we can find the maximum profit. So we will uh, update our buy price as to the, like, if we find any minimum value, and we will just now we'll move to the another element. So now 3 minus 1 is going to give us a profit of 2. This is are going to be current profit, right? Current profit, and we can have like our profit, max profit equal to 0, and this is are going to be our current profit, which is 2, which is 2. Now we can see, like, if current profit is greater than max profit, we will just update the max profit. So max profit is going to be current profit, and we will just go on to the next element. So 3, now 9, so 9 minus 1 equal to 8, right? So that's going to give us which is greater than 2. So now our max profit will be 8. Now we move to 17. Now profit will be 16, which is greater than 8. So this is going to our max profit. Now we'll move to 1, and 1 and 1 are same value, so we don't have to update the buying price. We'll move to 20. So now our profit is going to be 19, 19 greater than 16. So we will return the answer as 19. So 19 is the answer. Let's just take another example. Let's just try to see, like, 10, 9, 11, 7, 12, 3, and 15. Take this example, right? Not 15. Let's take this as only 10, right? So now buying price is 10. This is our buying buying price equal to 10. Now we'll move to 9. Is 9 smaller than 10? Yes. So our buying price will be 9. Now we move to 11. 11 is greater than 9. So what now? Let's just say our max profit right now is 0. Is 0. And current profit, this, so 11 minus 9, this is going to be our current profit. Current profit, which is greater than 0. So now our max profit will be, max profit is going to be 2, right? Now we'll move to 7. So 7, our current buying price is 9, and 7 is lesser than 9. So we will update our buying price. Buying price is going to be 7. Now we will move to another this element. So 12 minus, since 12 is bigger than 7, so our current profit is going to be, current profit is going to be 5, which is greater than our max profit, which is 2. So now our max profit will be 5, right? We will move to 3. 3 is smaller than 7. So our current buying price is going to be 3. We'll move to 10. 10 is bigger than 3. And our current profit is going to be 7, which is going in greater than max profit, which was 5. So we will update this at the 7 and return 7 as the answer. So that's how you solve this problem. I will quickly walk you through the code, like how I've solved this problem. Just same as uh, I've solved. So let's just try to walk. So the profit initially, this is the max profit is 0, and if the ln of the prices is equal to 1, we will just return the profit, which is 0, because there is only one element. Now buy price is going to be the first price, and now we are just iterating through the first element to the last till prices, and we are just calculating current price. So current prices is going to be price of this day minus the buying price, and we are calculating the profit. If current profit is greater than 0 and current profit is greater than max profit, we just need to update the max profit. So max profit is going to be current profit, and if price on the sell day is smaller than our buying price, we're just updating the buying price. And in the end, we're returning the max profit here. So that, so I can run it and this will give us, okay, let's just see how to run it. Let's just quickly submit it. Okay, let's just return. There's a typo, max profit. So we are able to solve the problem.